Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. Before we can start, I hope that you are subscribed to the channel and if you can like this video. So let's start. Open your YouTube app, go to Use section located right here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now go to the settings in top right corner. Here go to purchases and memberships. As you can see, here's my premium activated. If I want to deactivate it, I will click on it and select this cancel membership button. It will say all the things to get me to keep this premium, but if you want to continue, just go next and finish the process with their instructions, because I won't be canceling it anytime soon. I hope that I helped you with this video. Until next one, bye.